Hey guys, what's up? MD95TSI here. So I want to remind you guys that normally on a Friday night you would catch me over to Captain Cook's channel where we co-host the Drone Network. Well, if you haven't seen Captain Cook's video, the network has been moved to my channel for like 3 weeks because he is on what they call blackout at work, where he has to work night work and stuff. So we'll be on my channel, like I said, tonight at 7 p.m. We're still going to do the normal thing, talk about the drones, the news, and just hang out and see what we get into and what we talk about. So this is just a reminder, like I said, to stop by my channel tonight because there is going to be no live stream on Captain Cook's channel. You guys, you got it? Sure? All right. See you guys later tonight. Have a good one. Remember, get them birds in the air. It's windy here, so not going to happen today. I've been flying a lot in the wind, and it's kind of getting tiring. So I'm going to give it a break today and just get some stuff done on the workbench that I need to work on. So see you guys later. Y'all see that drone bum shirt, right? Yeah.